What's up, my good people? Welcome, guys, to Tech Explorers. And in today's video, we'll be learning more how you can be able to turn off or turn on that is Windows 11 notifications. At times, for example, when you are using your PC, you may be getting some notifications, for example, from Google Chrome or some other browser that you have installed on your PC, or in case you just connect any device onto your PC, it sends you a notification. Some of these notifications they are so irritating. You don't want to see this notification. How can you turn them off? How do you go about it? Let's dive into it. So for example, in this case, I can just connect that is my mobile phone with my PC, and you'll see a notification popping out from my right. You can see it here. If I happen to click here, you can see all these you can see all the notifications here. If for example I have not currently I have turned off that is the notifications from Google Chrome. If I have not turned them all off, that is you could be seeing those notifications here, and there are so many, so I decided to turn them off. Now you can see this where those notifications on normally top up. How can you be able to turn off these notifications? So all you need to do is just click this Windows 11 icon, go to settings. Under settings, we need to visit that is system, then go to notifications. We have system here, then we have notification. Just double click, and when you click notification, there are several options. You can choose to turn off all Windows 11 notifications. Either it is from autoplay, but receivers, suggested, or that is settings, data notification, Google, radio, text, audio, wireless, brave, security, all kind of notifications in Windows 11 will be turned off. So you can actually use this option, or you can actually choose to switch off to turn off notifications from different applications. For example, in my case, I have turned off that is notification from Google Chrome. When it is in such a state, it means that it is enabled, so I can go to receive notifications from Google Chrome. So what I do, I just turn notifications from Google Chrome. I have also turned off notifications from Translucent TB, some others are from Brave browser, and also LeoText and Google Chrome. All of them I have turned them off, but all the others you can see they are still on, because these notifications rarely come. They comes once after a period of time, but a notification from, for example, browsers comes each and every minute. So I decided to turn them off, and that is how simple you can turn off notifications from Google. So that is from Windows 11. So you can choose to turn off all Windows 11 notifications, or you can turn off specific notifications from Windows 11 applications. That's all we have for today, guys. Kindly don't forget